This is dedicated to the niggas that was down from day one. Welcome to Death Row.
Good morning. I'm literally on my way to class because I'm literally exhausted. I have a heat game later. Why was I literally in math? And why did I fail my test? That's like really depressing. And I'm really upset and I really want some reassurance. But I don't know who's gonna do that. I'm going to CVS now. No bueno at all. Got this huge bag at Walgreens. I got like a whole bunch of toilet paper. I literally asked my dad to like drive over and bring me some toilet paper. He said no, go buy some. I'm like, what are you talking about? I don't have a job. Hey guys, I'm getting ready. It is currently 6:01. Technically it opens at 6:30. They don't really allow bags, so I got like this wristlet, you know, America things. It's kind of like super annoying to have like to get clear bags or just like no bags at all, but what can I do? I feel like I have to commit to going. Let's just go get ready. My edges are like not even perfect, but it's whatever. Let's put on lip makeup. I googled it and then there's a CVS like not far, so I'm probably gonna be like, when I have to leave, probably an Uber from CVS is gonna be cheaper. Shit, I didn't even take my antidepressants today. I haven't taken them like the whole weekend. Also, I have to put these eye drops in because my eyes are like really dry and a little burning because of the lack of sleep I got. Did I tell you guys, like, I literally didn't go to my philosophy class because I was so exhausted, and that's honestly my fault. I realized like Monday for me is just not a day to be doing schoolwork. Let me see if my group members submitted the assignment so I could be like at peace. This month alone, I've probably like made Uber so much money. Not a whole ton of money, but like a lot of money to me. I'll start driving again. It's like a joke every time I say it. And my Uber's here. This is the outfit. I'm a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie. Makeup looks kind of good. Oh! Hey, it was really fun and entertaining. Seats were kind of like far. That wasn't really that much of a problem, but like it felt kind of weird because like I felt like I was gonna fall. I was like, dang, if I tripped and I fell because the seats were like so close to each other, like I could really fall. I've been spending so much money. I don't have a job. Money's coming in the bank one way or another. They gave us a hat. Leaving, and tell me why I almost left without my keys. But they gave us this like Miami Heat hat. Well, blue and gold because that's the school colors. Anyways, we will talk later. Hey guys, I think I'm catching a little bit of a cold and I don't really enjoy that. Anyways, I'm going to the gym. Yay, exercise. I never feel like I'm doing the exercises, right? Or if I'm like in good form or anything. And I bought gloves for this machine once, and then the gloves literally made it worse. Oh, you could see the fix still on here. Let's hope we make it to the bus. I hate going to the bus around this time because it's always the busiest. Was checking my application for RA. Why did I not get the job at all? Do you ever wonder why I like turn my phone this way? It's because there's people by, and I don't want them to think that I'm FaceTiming somebody. We're not FaceTiming anybody. I just left lab, and I'm literally about to go home.
Someone just said, you're in the dark. Well, I'll tell you what, Sherlock Holmes.
I feel so stupid, literally. Like, everything was too fast, and I didn't understand. Or, like, I don't know, I was like, let me fake it till I make it. But I didn't make it. I feel dumb. I feel super anxious and, like, adrenaline super high. Babes, I just left the class. Why is my adrenaline so high? This is not PE. Anyways, that's all. Hey, guys. So I've decided I'm getting all my bio work done now. So tomorrow I only have to focus on math because we're kind of struggling in that class. The fact that this room isn't festive is kind of pissing me off. Okay, let's crack my back. Welcome to Death Row. Do we call it Death Row or do we call it Hell Weeks? These 2 weeks are literally gonna be the craziest freaking weeks ever. I know I don't have my lights on, mainly because it's 1 a.m. and I have a 9 a.m. and I have to take the bus there and I have a test. Beginning of this, me going to the Heat game. Basically, after that Heat game, I didn't film for basically the whole week. The week after that was Thanksgiving. But now I'm trying to do math because my grade in math is absolutely horrendous and this is college. My biggest dilemma has been, oh my God, I don't think I'm doing that much interesting stuff. Let me tell you the aspects. The first aspect is like all this free time and not like the structure that I'm used to. And then there was like financial things that school's expensive. It's just like the way I took my classes also. Like I took a 9 a.m. and I hate the mornings. It's literally even worse because I love working during the nighttime. Like honestly, I kind of want to do a big whoop moment and not go to sleep at all. And I know that's not a smart idea because considering my class at 9 a.m. and it's only 2 a.m. So like I should at least go to bed, but I also kind of don't want to do that. Why am I paying all this money and I'm having to teach myself half of my classes? Who has time for that? And especially like when it comes to math, like I suck at math. Why am I teaching myself this? And finals are next week. I was calculating and it was fucking hilarious. It wasn't hilarious. It was actually quite depressing and sad. Some major shit. I'm running so behind today. Staying up is not for the people who commute. I don't think I'm gonna make it.
You stupid, you get idiot.
I got a massage because my school gives free massages. That was so good. She said my shoulders were really tight and I'm gonna go to sleep, but before then I have to go pick up a package. So let's go downstairs. Also have to see where my package is coming. I have a package that's coming and it's gonna be super good. You know the TikTok sound? Then you know. I'm getting my life together, guys. It's just me impulsively spending money. I spent so much fucking money. Like, it's actually insane. You know why they gave me this big of a package? Basically, I got some of these thing covers for your computer. Look at organize all these clothes, so that's what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna have to go do bio homework. It's 9 and I took the best freaking nap today, and I don't think I'm gonna pass math. I think it's just something you have to accept. Mating is the first step. It's later. It is currently 3:10 a.m. and I am going to bed. Actually, I'm gonna go write in my diary. Then I'm gonna go to bed. Literally did all of my bio, did a bunch of bio notes, go back to my dorm and literally go to bed. I haven't done much today, but it is 3. I woke up. Interesting cut here. Don't know where that came from. We have a presentation today for bio lab. It's literally the final and I'm nervous. And I was studying for, hey guys, I forgot how much I love my eyes with mascara. We had a presentation today and I literally stumbled over my words and I was like, fuck. One of the packages on Amazon, it was like, yeah, we were unable to like ship it to your house and it's at the facility. What are we talking about?
I won't respond to that.
Girl, I wasn't talking to you. I don't know what's been going on with my FaceTime, but it hasn't been working. Hello? Okay, you see it like she calls and then it goes like it ends. I don't understand. And I know I haven't like recorded anything all day, mainly because I spent the whole day wallowing in bed. There's like lightning that keeps striking. We're gonna have to film like this. So when it lightnings, I speak English, but at the same time, I don't know a lot of things in English. But I was also waiting for my package to arrive today and it didn't. But I also had like a crazy dream. Like, why isn't anybody listening to me? I've been having like strange dreams for like the whole week. So, oh, I also got the salad. I should probably eat it now. So I'm basically going to write in my diary, which I was doing yesterday night, but I got tired, so I didn't finish it. But I'm gonna write in my diary. You seen it? Hopefully you did. I'm gonna write in my diary, eat my salad, and listen to my book. It's a chicken salad. Instant gratification, go crazy. You know what? I did an assignment. Let's not do work for like 3 hours now. Good morning. It is 8 a.m. I don't know, like I naturally woke up at 7 a.m. I'm not understanding that. I was eating breakfast and watching the sex lives of college girls, and I'm gonna go shower. But look, it's still there. This is still there. Anyways, let's go bathe. I got ready and, ooh, maybe I should not show you where I live. I'm walking to the bus. I have a bio test today. Hopefully I do well. I made the study guide days early. I know like the information, I guess, a little more. Hopefully I pass it, yes. But hey guys, actually just wasting time. Just staying here, watching and waiting for my FedEx truck. So I had a test today for bio. Next week is the final. I ordered an iPad. Since I live on a college campus, I guess like all the addresses are the same. And they were like, we can't locate you. What do you mean you can't locate me? You deliver packages here all the freaking time. I ordered some earbuds. Those Amazon boxes, they have sometimes like if you go inside a store, if you don't want like the package to be dropped off in front of your house. I open it. Why is there nothing in there? Why does it feel so flat? I ordered earbuds. You should feel the earbuds through it. Why does it feel so flat? I look at the top. The top is fully ripped off. Who opened it? Who took it? I'm just a little confused. I just came to the conclusion that my package is not coming today because the latest they will ship out my package would be 8 p.m. It is 6:50. And also this pin they gave me because today is National AIDS Day. I'm making toast, well, bagels. I don't know, I love bagels. It's also kind of like the sign of depression for me. But at the same time, I think I'm just getting my period, honestly. I was sleeping and then I woke up. Disoriented, called FedEx, and then I called Best Buy. Best Buy, like, they weren't really that helpful. And my throat has been so dry. No idea why. Anyways, I think I'm going to edit because I haven't done that in a while. I've actually been focused on school too much. Crunchy. People are like doing Vlogmas, and I don't think my life is interesting enough to do Vlogmas, nor do I like have the commitment to do that. iPad came in. It said it was delivered today, and I was like, I didn't receive a notification. I don't want to bother like the RAs, but I just did. Let's cut her open.
You know why I feel like I'm stuck in life?
So this is the iPad.
It's because I ain't got an iPad. Like, no, I cracked the code. That's the reason. Every time I see somebody who's like together or is at peace in life, they have an iPad.
And this is just gonna be for school.
I don't have one.
So
that's why.
This is really annoying. Like, just hurry up and get out. Like, I know they do this purposely to like make you like want it, but like, babes, I bought it and I've been waiting for it to come in, so I already do want it. We opened it, we got the charger and the block. It's confusing to me because tablets come with blocks, but the iPhone doesn't. The thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to attach the screen protector. It is nice and windy. Grab my food over there because I'm going over there and borrow some food. It's not even shoplifting because like it's food I pay for. And every time I ask them if they have like one of those bowls, they're like no. So it's not even nighttime, like it's 7 p.m. Why is it like this dark? It'll be 5 and it's like pitch black. I kind of wish I didn't spend all day in bed because I could have gotten like real work done. We did. Time is gone already. What can we do about that? I feel like if I take food from the dining hall, it's easier for me. Sometimes I feel like they're gonna put like take my picture and then like put it in the front, be like, she took food. And when I woke up, and it's literally 4 p.m. I stayed up doing math, and then I'm gonna have to go do more math today. Really study for philosophy somewhere in that time. I don't think I'm gonna sleep at all. I'm gonna go eat. Oh my gosh, the gap in my hair always gets me. But I'm basically gonna do more math. Yeah. It is fully 4 p.m. I got up at 12, but like I felt so tired. Now I'm gonna go do my homework. I'm be honest, I don't know how or when I'm gonna go to sleep, and it's gonna take a miracle for me to pass my math final. It's really sad and depressing. This is so depressing. Like I'm hoping I get bit by a raccoon so I don't have to take it. So I'm literally in my school. I'm just trying to get my Starbucks. And I was gonna order from that vending machines, but it looked like there was bugs in there. Would rate 0 out of 10. Feels haunted as hell. I'm gonna do something I might regret. Bad idea. We're doing a Celsius packet that I got from school. Final is at 9 a.m. Okay, I'm ordering a book bag and I don't know which color to get. The book bag I have, here she is. We've had her since 8th grade and she's kind of on her last. She's actually fully functional, but you know, I think it was time for a new one. Like we had her since 8th grade. And it's like cute, but like I'm also worried because like, you know, this is my ride or die. Like she's been here through everything and she's stuck it through. Like she hasn't given up on me, right? But this one, I don't want it to break. I feel like I'm living life right now. I feel like I'm just doing schoolwork and like really been a difficult time for me. Now it is 1 a.m. and I'm sitting here looking at math and I want to cry. Everybody in math is actually failing, which is quite depressing. Like I have other stuff to be focused on. I feel like math is one of those classes I'm supposed to take by itself. I also feel like there's gaps in like my math education that just were never filled. Like I never really learned ratios. That's like kind of like the issue with math now, is there's a lot of people who have like gaps in their math education, and then those gaps are just like never filled. No, you can't see me, but it's 7:15. Sleep out well, and my back hurts. I wanted to go to this event at school, but I don't know if I'm gonna go because I'm tired. And I cried because I was sad that I was doing so shitty in math. So I'm back home. I did not take my math final. Let me be honest with you right now and tell you everything that just happened. I took a long time to explain the story, but basically I was on the bus and then I didn't sleep well, and when I don't sleep well, I feel nauseous, and I also get motion sick. So that was a terrible combination. I got on the bus, started feeling nauseous. I was like, let me just hold it out. And then the vomit basically was just like, no, we're coming out now. And some of it came out of my nose, and I was trying to figure out how to unlock the door, but I couldn't. And then a part of it got in this girl's shoes, but she was sleeping on the bus, and I didn't have the heart to tell her. And then I went to the bathroom, and then I threw up all over the bathroom, and then some of it got on my clothes. And long story short, I had to go home, and I didn't take my final. So it came out of my mouth. I was lucky the bus wasn't like packed, because that would be really embarrassing. It's stress vomits. It literally is. And I haven't gotten my period yet because I'm stressed. I sent my math teacher a message. Hopefully she's a saint and then lets me take it another day. Let's just hope and pray. Thoughts and prayers. Update since my debacle, I've been laying in bed. I got a new screen protector, and then at 7 my dorm is having some like thing, so I'm gonna go to that because there's free food, and you know me, where the food is I gotta go. Morning. I literally just got up, if you couldn't tell. I went downstairs to get my package. I literally shipped the package like, oh, I wonder what this is. Like, okay, I guess, like, less plastic. Hey guys, I'm getting ready. Well, I got ready. I took forever getting ready. I'm here with my book bag, and I feel like it's kind of, I don't know. I'm just hoping it doesn't fall apart because I did put quite a few things in here. See? Update. I got my period. Scream into a pillow, and I want to see how loud it is. Hey guys, I feel so shitty. So basically I'm failing math, and that's really shitty. It's also 3 a.m. because I'm in college. You can't really be failing classes. You could lose financial aid. I'm happy that, you know, like I'm on my own, but at the same time it's been an adjustment, and it's also been different because nobody's telling me to do anything, and I haven't realized like how much like the past 2 years, like it's basically been just relying on people to like telling me things to make sure I get them done. It's also been like, I don't even know if this is what I want to do and if I could deal with all of this. And then the times I decided to choose myself, it's gotten bad, and it's been very difficult for me to get out of bed a lot of the times. And my whole entire life, I've never gotten an F, and it looks like I'm gonna get an F. And I'm really terrified and afraid, and I don't know who to talk to about it. And I also feel really bad because there's like a voice in my head being like, you didn't work hard enough, you could have done this, which is partially true because I could have done this. It was my choice to stay in bed. It was my choice to not go to math tutoring. But there was other factors playing into those things. It's like, I isolated myself so much. I've been also avoiding like the things that I've been bad at. I know that my comfort zone will kill me, but like, babes, we wouldn't call it a comfort zone if it wasn't a comfort zone. I think I'm gonna end this video here. I'm going to go to bed feeling shitty. Follow me. Thank you guys.